Okay, so today we'll be doing a little bit of something called map and scale. All right, it's part of your Chen Feng, is that you? Map and scale is a little bit part of the congruence and similar triangle, that topic lah. All right, so later we will go through a little bit. All right, then yeah, if you got time today, we'll do the fast forward. We'll learn about Pythagoras theorem today, if time permits. Yeah, all right, because for Sec 2, there's a lot to teach, honestly. Right, there's a lot to teach. Yeah, then I was hoping that the lesson should be 2 hours. Right, 2 hours with me, I think it's not that long, right? All right, so I was hoping that the lesson can be 2 hours, then I can spend more time with you guys. But it's not. All right. So now it's 7:29. We will start in 1 minute time. 1 minute time. All right. Still got quite a number of students haven't come in yet. How many? 7 of you only. According to my attendance list, got 21. Crazy, right? Oh my goodness. 21 students. Just now I saw Nico. When she disappeared. Oh no, Nico is here. Hello, Nico. Oh, Nico. Yep. Yeah, Nico, sorry about last week. I think I never let you go into the class. Yeah, then you got stuck outside, right? I'm so sorry about it. Yeah, I didn't know. Then your mom messaged me. 真的是对不起啊, Nico. Yeah, and you also did your homework for the previous week, right? I think I missed out one because that 1 week is like the school 88 tuition break lah. So I missed out. I thought you never do. It's actually the school holiday, the break. Right, so don't get angry with me, okay? But I saw your worksheet, Nico. This time around you got all correct, except got one. You give it as a improper fraction, but the answer wanted a mixed number. Not your fault, right? But it's correct answer. Your answer is correct. Yeah. Right, the system not smart enough. Can? Okay. So children, come. Let's begin lesson. All right, but before I begin lesson, right, Jin Hao asked a very good question. All right, his question is, if I got any school question, don't know can ask you. All right, so the answer to this question, right, Jin Hao, the answer to this question is yes, if you are part of the tutorial group. All right, so it means that you have to come for the tutorial lessons every Tuesday at 7:30. All right, all these students here, right, all these students, they know my number. All right, so I will give you my number. All right, I will give you my number. And if you are joining us after this, right, of course, if you have any school homework, I will be most willing to help you. All right, because why? You are my responsibility. You are my responsibility. So this is my number, 8933-0213. All right, so this is actually the math hotline. This is the math hotline. Okay, but please remember one thing. You need to be a student. All right, you need to be a student in the tutorial group. All right, because 88 Tuition itself doesn't provide such service. All right, 88 Tuition itself does not provide such service. So if I'm giving this number to you, right, it's my personal time. All right. All right, so it's my personal time. I'll be using my own personal time to answer your question. Right, simple reason is because you're my student and I want you to do well lah. All right, at the end of the year, I want you to do well. Simple as that. Oh, WA3 is August 2nd. Oh, before before National Day. All right, that's like next month. Wow, very fast. Can? All right, so children, this is the math hotline. All right, Chen Feng also, this is my number. All right, so students, students who are in the tutorial group, you know that you can message me, right? All right, you can message me. You can take a clear picture of the question, and I'll try to answer you as soon as possible. Can? Because you are my responsibility. And please tell me who you are. For example, you can say that, oh, you are Lavon, right? And this is a question, your school homework. Or you can say that I'm Nicole. At least give me your name lah, my goodness. Larissa, your what? WA3 is on 4th July today? Are you kidding me, Larissa? Today is 4th July, you know. My goodness. Now you just have your WA3, Oh my goodness. If we are into July, yeah. Scare me lah, Larissa. All right, we are in July already. How can you have your exam like today? My goodness. Don't blur. All right. So children, those who just came in, right, just to let you know, this is the math hotline. All right, I have given you my number a few times already. All right, so if you have any question, right, when you near the exam, you got a question to ask me, you can actually message me with a clear picture of the question if you are a student of the tutorial group. Can? But children, don't get me into trouble, can? All right. For example, you're in school, then you're doing your exam. Then when you're doing your exam, you got question, don't know. Then you take picture and you send it to me. Wow. Then imagine I answer. That means I'm helping you cheat. Hey, children, don't sabo me like that, can? All right. That is a bad idea. Right. All right. So don't sabo me. All right. So if you have a question when you're doing your homework, you can message me. Can? All right. Sure, you got teach polygon. Yes, I've been teaching polygon. What? All right. Sometimes I give you the Sec 1 revision and all this. Polygon is part of Sec 1. Polygon is Sec 1. All right. Yeah. Okay, so let's move into today's lesson. Oh, yeah, I talked so much already. I spent 4 minutes. Yes, polygon is Sec 1. All right. Every time I do the Kahoot inside got some polygon question, right? Yeah lah. Yeah, my goodness. Okay, this was your homework last week. All right. So we are doing something called congruence and similar triangle. All right. So this was your homework last week. Of course, you all did your homework, right? All right. I believe that all of you did your homework. All right. So let me just go through this question with you guys. Okay. So every time you do this type of question, right, my advice to you, read the question, look at the picture. Read the question, look at the picture. All right. So what you do? The figure shows a quadrilateral. Quadrilateral means a four-sided shape. PQRS, correct. The diagonals means they crisscross. All right, the diagonals down here. This is called a diagonals. PR and QS intersect at M. This is M. PM is equal to QM. PM down here is equal to QM, correct. They put in the strokes for you already. SM is equal to RM, correct. They put in the double stroke for you already. PQ is parallel to SR. This one is parallel. Okay, correct already. Okay, so read the question, read the question and also look at the picture. Name a triangle which is congruent. Congruence means what? This word congruence means what? Exactly the same. Exactly the same. All right, exactly the same. And please remember the flow is important. Flow is important. Can? Okay, come. Let's take a look at which triangle they want us to compare with. PRQ. Where is PRQ? PRQ is down here. The blue triangle. Okay, PRQ. Hey, children, use your eye power. Use your eye power. What's the meaning of eye power? Use your eyes lah, my goodness. All right. Use your eyes to what? See which one is the same as this blue triangle. Can you see that this blue triangle and this red triangle is the same? Can you see or not? Use your eye power, children. Seriously. Same, right? So the blue and the red is the same. But can I just say a triangle SQP as your answer? All right. Can you just say SQP? Children, nope. You cannot say SQP. Why? Because I told you the flow is important. Right? You must have the flow. Yeah. Yeah, children. All right, you must have the flow. Okay, come. So if you start off with P and R, right? P and R, the blue line, P and R means you start from P, you come down to R. You are going the long way down into R. All right, so P is compared with who? P must be compared with Q, correct or not? Because Q can come down the long way to this portion down here. Hey, but sure, I don't know, I cannot see. Okay, don't panic, don't panic. Besides, right, looking at the length, right, can we compare the angle? Check this out, children. Check this out. Can you see the angle P down here? I put double stroke. Okay? Double green stroke. Double green stroke is what? Is the angle P. Correct or not? All right. So this double green stroke, right, is it the same as this double green stroke down here? Why? Isosceles triangle. Correct or not? Correct or not? Correct, Correct, Okay. How about down here? All right. Look at the purple angle. Look at this angle down here. Okay. This angle down here. Is this angle the same as this angle down here? Same or not? All right. And is this angle down here, this corner down here? All right, this angle down here looks like the same as who? This angle, right? Can you see or not? Right, children, can you use your eye power or not? All right, and make a comparison like this. All right, wait, let me let a student in first, Alpha. Hello, Alpha. Alpha Tower. Ifer, sorry. Hello, Ifer. Right, okay. So we are going through the homework last week. Okay, come. So children, look at the color coding. Look at the color coding. Look at the blue triangle. Follow the color coding. PRQ. PRQ means what? PRQ means the green. P is at green. R is at black. So you want green, black, and PRQ. Q is purple. Can you follow me or not? Purple. All right. So you want green, black, purple. Green, black, purple. Green, black, purple. So green, right? Look at the red triangle now. Green down here is what? It's a Q. Can you see? Q. Green, black, purple. Black is S in the red triangle. Can you see or not? Purple. Purple is the down here. All right, which is a P. Green, black, purple. So this is the answer. All right, so you cannot anyhow SQP, understand or not, children? All right, cannot anyhow SQP or PSQ, not your favorite alphabet. All right, you're supposed to follow the flow. All right, so once again, children, all right, you look at my drawing now here, look. All right, look at the blue triangle. All right, the blue triangle, PRQ. PRQ is what? PRQ is down here. This is P, followed by R, and followed by Q up here. Correct or not? So the angle is green, black, purple. Green, black, purple. Then you look at the red triangle. Who is the green? The green down here is Q. Black is the S. So it's QSP. QSP. The flow must be correct. All right, that's the meaning of congruence. All right, congruence means exactly the same. Hey, hello, Sean. Hello, what's up? All right, thanks for coming for a lesson. All right, thanks for joining us. All right, if you have anything to say, Sean, you can actually go to the chat and chat with all of us. Is that okay? All right. Okay, come. Part B. Name a triangle which is similar. All right, which is similar to SMR. All right, SMR. All right, where is SMR? All right, follow my drawing. SMR is here. Can you see the purple triangle? All right, this purple triangle, SMR. Oh, what is the meaning of similar? Similar means they look alike. They look alike, but not the same. Not the same in length. All right, but look alike means what? The length ratio the same. Right, length ratio same, and also the angles the same. Can? All right. So the meaning of similar means the length ratio is the same and angles the same. All right. And your answer is PMQ. Chen Feng, no. All right. You cannot give me PMQ. All right. Even though your answer is somewhat correct, but the flow is wrong. Right. Must be very careful, children. Very irritating, this topic, I know. Right. But if you're a little bit OCD like me, right, you will love this topic. Okay, come, children. All right. Let me erase away my red color and blue color triangle. Okay, let's talk about the purple color now. All right, let's talk about the purple color now. Okay, are you ready, children? All right, so Chen Feng was saying that PMQ is similar to what they're asking for, which means the on top portion. All right, the orange down here. Can you see the orange? All right, which is actually the correct answer, but his flow is wrong. His flow is wrong. Look. So in Sec 1, you learn something called what? Alternate angle. Do you see the Z? Zorro. You know who is Zorro or not? Y'all don't watch English movie one, right? Very sad, Right, Zorro is my time one. Yeah, so Zorro is actually like a mask hero. So he wear a mask, and every time he go and fight the villain, right, he will draw a Z. Zorro, yes. Hey, Natalie, you know who is Zorro? Yeah, so I thought that y'all don't know. Okay, so can you see the Z? Zorro draw the Z. All right, so the Z means what? Do you know that this angle here, this red angle is the same as this red angle? All right. Do you see the other Z? Do you see the other Z? Right? Alternate angle. Do you see that this green angle here is actually equal to this green angle here? And do you see that this